Every aspect of your digital marketing strategy may be addressed with this tool. Email marketing, website building, landing page building, podcast hosting, keyword rank tracking, webinars, and so much more are all available with this all-in-one system. Thankfully, there are platforms like Systeme.io, which is a single platform with a suite of tools that allows you to create sales funnels, manage affiliate networks, automate various aspects of your marketing plan, and much more. It is a reliable solution that saves you money and time by allowing you to choose between a variety of tools, apps, plugins, and other software. Systeme.io is a one-stop shop for everything you'll need to run a successful internet business. For most people who are just getting started online, the most difficult part is figuring out how many tools are required to run a successful internet business. Even if they have a good understanding of all the many apps and software that are required, many people don't have the time or bandwidth to figure out how to get the most out of each of them separately. They end up paying for a lot of features they will never use because they lack the necessary technical expertise and background, and they end up with disappointing results, which leads to frustration. That's why a tool like Systeme.io is so valuable. It eliminates the need to learn and pay for all of these numerous third-party software and systems. The ability to handle everything from a single interface eliminates much of the learning curve, making it ideal for newcomers. Furthermore, because you receive everything for a fraction of the amount you would pay for the tools separately, Systeme.io is unquestionably worthwhile for anyone trying to manage a successful internet business without breaking the bank. Systeme.io is ideal for anyone who wants to run a profitable internet business without having to pay for dozens of different tools to do so. It's perfect for new bloggers, marketers, online entrepreneurs, small company owners, and those who want to engage in marketing and sales activities, such as the following: sales funnels, email marketing, online courses, dropshipping, evergreen webinars, blogging, e-commerce integrations, building your own affiliate program, A/B testing, business automation, and much more. When the programs you use to manage different elements of your company are decentralized, integrating them can take a long time and effort. Systeme.io, on the other hand, puts it all together in a seamless manner, with all of the tools working together to provide you with a fantastic user experience. That means you won't have to deal with any more tech issues caused by attempting to combine various apps and tools. Because everything you need is available on the platform, there's no need to integrate with third parties. Systeme.io is a versatile program that combines a variety of functions into a single user-friendly interface. Each of these features are important to the process of establishing a successful internet business, and the platform is devoid of needless fluff. The sheer number of features available on the platform can be both a benefit and a liability, since many newbies may find them overwhelming. There are no third-party integrations available. If you employ a tool as part of your marketing or sales efforts, you won't be allowed to integrate it into the platform. There is a limit to design freedom. Some users may be turned off by the platform's limited design freedom. Again, Systeme.io does not have any third-party tool or app integrations. The platform's creators seek to create a one-stop shop that eliminates the need for third-party software. Because this platform does not allow sophisticated users to engage with their preferred tools, some advanced users may have an issue with that. This isn't an issue for beginners because Systeme.io includes every tool you'll need to run your online business. Overall, Systeme.io is a sturdy and stable platform that places a premium on simplicity and ease of use. You can also send emails to your subscribers, host webinars, create membership sites, manage affiliate programs, and do a lot more. Beginners will benefit from the all-in-one platform, but more experienced marketers and businesses of all sizes may also find it useful. This strategy is unquestionably less expensive than attempting to integrate hundreds of distinct software systems, each with its own price tag. It will help you scale your internet business quickly and provide you a competitive edge in today's ultra-competitive market. Everything has been examined. Sign up for a free trial now to give the software a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be one of the first to know when I release more content.